and the price of per kg is 70 rupees. Excavation 8,000 rupees. Backfilling 55,000 rupees. The cost of constructing a 1,200 square feet house in India, mainly in Bangalore. First, I will explain the price of materials and then I will explain the price of labors laterly. Excavation 8,000 rupees. Backfilling 55,000 rupees. Cement 550 bags at the price of 380 rupees is equals to 2,10,000 rupees. Bricks 9 inches length and 4.5 inches breadth and 3 inches depth. These bricks cost 10 rupees in Bangalore, 8 rupees or 10 rupees, consider it as 10 rupees. Total 1,80,000. Steel. We want 3,000 kg steel for 1,200 square feet house in Bangalore. And the price of per kg is 70 rupees. The total amount is 2,10,000 rupees. 20 mm aggregates is like 1 cubic feet price is 40 rupees. 1,100 cubic feet into 40 is equals to 44,000. 44,000 rupees of aggregate is needed. Plumbing, if we consider like CPVC, SW or PVC like that, PVC pipes, taps and syntax, complete cost around 90,000 rupees. Electric materials cost around 1 lakh rupees. Tiles and granite, flooring, kitchen wall, bathroom wall, puja wall. It's like if we place the tiles on this all walls, like it costs around 1,20,000 rupees. Paint costs around 85,000 rupees for 1,200 square feet house. Doors, main door and puja door, if it is made up of teakwood, and room doors and bathroom doors are ready-made doors. If you consider like that, then it costs 80,000 rupees. If we consider like windows are all completely made up of aluminium, then we can easily consider its cost 50,000 rupees. Labor work, the plumbing labor cost 30,000 rupees. Electrical labor cost 36,000 rupees. Tiles and granite 9,000 rupees. Paint 60,000 rupees. Steel labor works like 71,000 rupees. If anyone want me to build your house, contact me. Classic price 1,900 rupees per square feet. In Bangalore and Tumkur. If there is any good civil engineer watching this video, contact me sk77@gmail.com. Sohar35@gmail.com.